All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the FK BRNO, we're gonna do a little mag dump, and what I want that to represent is the capabilities of that over something like a 44 mag revolver or something like that. You know, the real speed of a semi-automatic pistol, getting multiple rounds downrange quickly and still packing quite a punch. So let's say, I don't know, if you got a bear charging at you, something like that, you can use this and fend it off. So let's try it out. We're at about, what, 15 yards? 15 yards from a standard IPSC target. We'll see how quickly I can keep them on the target accurately. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Well.
Pretty fast.
Yeah.
Especially for close to 44 Magnum power.
Wow. Does your arm hurt?
Not really, believe it or not. Not as bad as that bear would have hurt.